Hey y'all, it's Brandy with SDA Farms. Got Aaron over here beside us. Let him tell you what we're going to do today.
So today we're going to try to put an automatic door on our mobile chicken coop. I got the door. We're really fortunate with we're really close to a Stromberg chicken warehouse place where you can go buy stuff, and we got an automatic coop door from them. It's built out of metal. We've had some in the past. The last one we bought was plastic. It was junk. You get what you pay for. It come from Amazon. It was like 40 bucks. It was junk. So we upgraded to this metal one. We're going to try to get it on our coop. That way our chickens can get in and out and start, hopefully, helping our yard out with some manure and some scratching. So y'all hang with us and we'll see if we can get it on today.
So while Aaron's gathering his tools, I'll give you guys a little update on hopefully you can see in here. They've grown quite a bit. We still have one of the white ones left. We pretty well, you can tell she's been picked up. We did have to pull her out for a while and was able to put her back in. The other two that were with her, we've lost. I'm not really sure, but it's not uncommon for the meat birds, the Cornish cross, to just, I don't know, have a heart attack and die. They're designed to grow so fast that sometimes their heart can't take it. So anyhow, you can see my other chickens down here underneath the fence, and I hear Aaron on his way over, so we'll get going.
Of course, I forgot my pencil.
Improvise. A noise to spook them down to the other end.
Yeah.
peck at them. So. So 4 screws. So how does this actually work? Well, obviously buttons, but it's not solar, right? So it runs off battery.
I gotta take them off too. I don't know how well this is going to work because that board's kind of bowed. Just try it and see.
You can sit on the tire if you want.
I'm not sure how to turn it off.
I don't know. I was gonna say, for whatever reason, the door keeps wanting to open on us.
It's because it's set programmed to be open at this time.
So the timer, yeah. So, all right, come on, Case. Get loaded up, and we're gonna go ahead and pull it over here. Oh, he's so smart, Poppy.
Yep. Yeah, it needs to be washed. That's right.
Do you want to wash the gator for us later? No, you don't? Okay.
Yep, take it to the mechanic.
Still got some wood in here I need to get cleaned up. Need to get the buckets cleaned up. Do you care if I just stack them up? Or do you want to try to catch water in them? Stack them up and get them cleaned up. That's the thing with the farm over the years. Things just kind of accumulate here and there.
These weren't right here.
Yeah, just right in here somewhere. This will give them some shade. I can wrap the gate around the fence around the tree here. Yeah, this will be fine right here. Alright, so we got the netting, poultry net up. It took me a few minutes. Didn't take the time to put it up nice and neat last winter. And it was pretty tangled up, and I don't know, I guess got it with the lawnmower blades during the summer before it got moved out of the yard. But anyway, as long as the bottom part is in good shape, and it's going to shock any critters that try to get in here. So Aaron and Casey's already got the ramp fixed, the doors open. So now we're going to go ahead and get the water and the feed out. They're going to need water. This is pretty well empty.
All right, guys, let me show you what we got. So it's a few days, actually maybe longer than a few days, maybe a week or two has passed since we got that automatic coop door on. It works good. It's just kind of touchy, I guess, would be the best way to describe it. So they tell you to put these screws here, and it always gets caught and then stops. But anyways, I'm just gonna take these screws out and see how it works. But it works pretty good. We have it set to where it comes open in the morning and it closes at night. Now you've seen where we've got this fence around it here. The reason we did that is because we wanted to be able to easily get them into the coop. And to be honest with you all, the very first night they wanted in. They wasn't exactly sure about the door, but they wanted in, so they wasn't any trouble to get in that first night. The second night, they all walked in, no problem at all. We haven't had to run them in since after that first night. So now that they've got a little bit bigger And our other chickens that we have that free range have got accustomed to them. We've opened up this here. We will be taking up this fence maybe tomorrow or in a few days. We'll be taking it up. We do need to move it. I still haven't got the tires for this. If we had good tires on here, me and Brandy could just move it ourselves without hooking it up to the gator. But we do need to move it like I mentioned in our build video. What happens is you get a dead spot underneath it because that's where they lay and that's where all their chicken manure goes, and it basically just burns it. Now that will come back next, probably this fall, maybe next spring. It'll come back and it'll probably be this tall while the other grass is that tall. But anyways, we do need to move it and start keeping it moved a little bit better, but I gotta get the tires for it. So wanted to show y'all how it works. This is actually working better than we both even imagined, having this mobile style coop and getting the chickens trained to it. So tonight we're gonna just leave it open. We know that this meat chicken and a couple of the well summers have been getting out somewhere. We're not sure where, but they'll get out and then they'll come back in and then they're in the coop at night. So I think it's gonna work good, or at least that we hope it does. So guys, we really appreciate y'all watching. Be sure you hit that like button and you subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.